straight away I'll start to how to operate it actually. See, okay, from here you can log in through your mobile. Okay, so once you open the link, so you'll be specified link ID. Then you can enter the user ID and password. User ID is nothing but the company short code and the employee ID, and the password is the same employee ID at present actually. So then later you can change whatever password you need as per your convenient. Okay, once you logged in, you'll get the dashboard, and the dashboard will be displaying your loan balance, your leave balance, and the today's any of your colleagues birthday and any joining details. That is optional actually. Your HR can define this actually, whether you want to view this detail, new joining details and the left employees details also, and the any announcement HR mentioned. So that list also you can view on the your dashboard. Announcement like anything, your HR wanted to inform you about company detail or holiday details or anything like that. Okay, then this is the menus are listed here, so you can select the menus, whatever menus you need as per your requirement. Then the first option will be your profile, and the profile we are displayed your employees present address, the permanent address, then the salary details, then there are all the statutory numbers like PF number, SEC number, your number, everything. And then if you want to change your login ID and the password, you can change user. So that will be shoot a mail, whatever password changed, and later on you can log in from that particular user ID and the password. Okay, the most important is updating your attendance. So from here you can update your attendance. So when you click these options, automatically your location will be updated and you're the in time. So you can punch this n number of times in a day. So each record will be updated and you can view on the report also. Then for the attendance, for the processing of the salary, it will take first in and the last out. And the OT also will be calculated based on this. And geolocation also will update from this. Okay, then you can view your complete attendance also, monthly, daily, or from any date to any date, with the in time, out time, multiple details, and the present, absent, or late mark, or comp off applied, if suppose if you applied, all this detail. And these are the reports like multiple punch in, punch out. Okay, then you can apply for the reimbursement. Reimbursement is nothing but if suppose if any employee spend from their own pocket, they can claim from the company. So that detail you need to enter here with the bills. If suppose if you have scanned copy, or you can click the photo also of that bill particular, if suppose you don't have any scanning option. Okay, so that will go to your HR and your supervisor and the managers, where they will apply, they will get the list of your entries and they can approve that. First your supervisor will approve, then your manager will approve, then it will go to the HR, then HR can sanction this. Your supervisor and the manager, they can change the applied amount also. Suppose for example from Mumbai to Pune you went and you spent 5,000 rupees, where the company will not allow 5,000 rupees. Company is allowing only 2,000 or 3,000, something like that, based on the experience. So they can, your manager and the supervisor can change that amount from 5,000 to 2,000. That will get updated to your salary. Okay, then you can apply for leave. So you will get the balanced leave one before you apply. You can select the leaves, whether you want to apply for PL, CL, SL, or comp off. You'll get the list of the leaves we have already created here. Then HR can create additional leave also if you want, and the balance will display. Then you can apply based on the availability. Okay, and again, this will also will go to your HR, then the supervisor and the manager, so they can view this record and approve this. But you cannot apply for the previous date. Suppose today is first, then the previous month leave we cannot apply. Okay, then the loan management. Loan also, if suppose any employee required loan, then employee can apply for loan. So again, this record also will go to HR and the manager and the supervisor. Based on that, they can view and the approve the loan applied by you. Okay, and now is final investment and the rebate entry. For to calculate the income tax based on your salary, then it requires investment details also. So if suppose if you have invested anything, like suppose house rent you paid, where you can claim that as a rebate, then LIC or any other investment if you made, then that also you can apply, and then this will also go to your HR and the manager, so they will apply, see and the approve this record. Okay, now this one is visit management. Visit management is nothing but the, if suppose any of you visit your clients, even that record also you can maintain here. You can create the company name, so where you are visiting, then the visit details and whatever work you do there. So even that also descriptively we can write it down. Even that reports also you can have, and that will have a record for the HR also. So where you went and what work you did there, all these details. And the automatically timing also will get update to based on this. And later once your HR process the salary, then automatically you can download your payslip, but only the approval HR, after the approval of the HR. So once HR prepared the salary, then he approved, then you can download your payslip for the selected month. You can select the month and year and print. And the here we have given an option to a complaint and the query. If suppose if any of you have any query regarding your payslip or attendance or leave or loan advance, anything, so you can write it down here. So this will flash to your HR. Then HR can view this detail and he can also respond to your query. And in the same way, HR also can raise a query against any employee. Then that record will go to that particular employees only when that employee logged in. So he can also respond to this HR query. So this record will be maintained anytime you can take the reports for this multiple month or multiple period. Okay, this is mobile app is this much only. Then I'll show you in detail how to log in and make entries. Okay, so from here you can log in, you can enter the login ID and the password. Okay, you'll get the pop-up this way menu. Then you can view the first one is the dashboard. On the dashboard you'll get your loan balance, then your leave balance, then attendance detail also you'll get. Suppose today you logged in at 10 o'clock, so then you'll get the time in and time out and the status, whether you're present or absent or whatever. Then this is the announcement. If suppose if any of employee announcement is a different type of one is HR can flash announcement to all the employees and the within the group also. Okay, that will flash to those employees only. So employee can view their announcement. Suppose hello, welcome to Smart Payroll or anything like that. Okay, then the new employee list and the left employee list also. This is optional actually. HR can define this whether this information need to show to employees or not. So employee will understand, yeah, in this particular department, these many number of employees are joined or these many number of employees are left or something. So they can have the detail. Okay, then the in time, this is from the web login actually. You can update the in time. So you can click on the login, and the second time when you come out, then this caption will change to logout. Okay. Okay. Then the attendance punching you can do. You can take the reports. Then leave, application of the leave. Okay, yeah. So whatever, when you open this, so whatever leave applied, that will get displayed here. So, and you'll get the status also, whether they approved or not approved, or it is still pending, and you'll get the balance also. So here, suppose and for this particular day you applied from 3rd April to 3rd April, and manager action date and time and the remarks, and supervisor action date and time and the remarks, then the HR. So okay, and the complete balance also you'll get. Suppose here we have PL 25 balance is there, CL 20 balance is there, and SLS 22 balance is there, Comp of 19 balance is there. So this way, from these available leave you can apply. You can select the leave, whether you want to apply for PL or CL or SL or Comp of, or sometime for the short period you want to go for absent also you want to select. So you can inform through this application only. Like suppose from you don't have leave, then you don't want to visit the office for 1 or 2 days for any personal reason, so then you can apply over here absent. Okay. Then this is the approval method. Suppose you applied for leave, then this list will get populated to your supervisor and the manager. They can select and approve. Okay, same way for manager also. Then you will get the leave reports like this. You can check your leave detail. View. Okay, for the full year. So PL, whatever balance you have, PL and earned, and leave encashment if suppose you did, and casual leave, sick leave, comp of earned, comp of enjoyed, and month wise breakup. You'll get suppose April, May, June, July, August, December. This way, month wise you'll get the breakup and the end total also. Same way for loan also, you can apply for loan this way, and your applied loan will get display over here, and whether that is pending or approved, that also you will understand. And this way you can apply loan. Request date, then the loan amount and the installment, the remarks for purpose of the leave, for example. Okay, loan. Then the income tax. Under income tax, you can view the investment entry, rebate entry, then rent, landlord details, investment reports, and rebate reports, Form 16 projection, and the Form 16 final version. And investment entry you can do this way. So these are the records updated already, so that will get display, and whether it is pending or approved, that also you will have detail in this way. Suppose under section 80DD you applied for 10,000 rupees, so that will get display here. If you want to edit before approval, you can edit that particular records. If suppose once the approved, then again re-entry you want to do, then you can ask them to cancel this record and re-enter the same. Okay, then you can print the Form 16 and the projection also we can view from here. Projection, like suppose from April to December salary is already processed, and from Jan to March you want to process, then you'll get the complete report. It will take from April to December actual salary it will take. Then December I taken from projected from the Jan to March. April to November it is already processed salary. December salary is not processed, so it is coming blank, zero. Then accordingly you'll get the list of complete with the breakup month wise and the allowances wise. Then whatever investment submitted, so that also will consider here. Then whatever income tax deducted, that will also month wise breakup you will get, and the what amount you need to pay for the balance is there, so that will also get displayed. So you can download or print, whatever you want to do, you can do. Yeah, thank you. And this one is a payslip. So anytime you can download your payslip. You can select the month and year and click on view button. So you'll get the payslip. And the payslip also you'll get everything. I mean, your leave enjoyed during the month, and the total balance, total opening balance, and all the allowances, whatever allowances paid by the company. So that in descriptive manner. So that is like rate, amount, and earned amount because of the absent if there is any. Then the arrears amount, previous month's balance if there is any. Then the total PF, ESCC, whatever deductions part it is used. So that is, and the net pay you'll get. So this payslip you get, and on the payslip it is mentioned like your employee code, designation, date of joining, date of birth, UN number, PF number, all the statutory details. Like, okay. So other than reports, like we have Form 3A, 6A and all. Then the offboarding also we have in this mentioned. If suppose if any employee wanted to leave the company, then they can, instead of directly, if suppose you don't have, that courage to approach directly HR, then you can just intimate on the system only. So you can, here you need to inform. So your last working days will be, and this will directly shoot to your HR and the manager supervisor also. Okay, so they can approve based on their uh, viewing that record. Then this will, once supervisor approved, then next will go to manager, then the HR. So HR will approve, and whatever he needs to write on the remarks, they can write it. This will be recorded, like, okay. And here it will be displayed, like, if suppose a company given you any assets, then that asset value also will be displayed, and the loan balance, if there is anything, that will also get displayed over here. Okay, this one is a query leg. Now you want to raise any queries, like you can raise a query to your HR. You can write it down on the date and the query. So whatever that will shoot to your HR, then HR can view this report here only, and he can respond to your query. In the same way, HR, whatever wanted to any employees, HR wants to raise any query, then HR can raise, and that will go to that particular employees only on their dashboard, so they can view and write it down. Suppose you're coming regularly late, so then HR can write it like you're coming regularly late, kindly improve your attendance. Then you can write it down, the reason for coming late. So they will understand that way it is. Vice versa, like whatever you want to write it. The timesheet and the outdoor request also, your supervisor or manager, for example your team leader, can apply here. Suppose now from Bombay to Pune, 3-4 candidates you need to take for any additional work, they can mention here. So for the purpose of this work, I'm taking Mr. X, Mr. Y to Pune branch, for example. That will be recorded here, so their attendance will be updated accordingly. Okay, that one. Appraisal also is there, then you can create the appraisal groups and make it appraisal. Profile. Employee can update his family details. Suppose HR created your ID and shared the password, user ID and password. Once they shared, then after logging in, you can write it down or update all your family details. Then even employee detail also. For this, actually, HR can give you number of days. Suppose today you appointed, and for 1 or 2 days they want to give these rights to update your personal details and family details, your education background details, then the previous company details, and you can upload all your documents also. So then you can open this form and you can update your personal details so that you can see. Otherwise, if suppose they not given you rights to update, then you can just view this detail and intimate to your HR, like this is my wrong details you updated, kindly correct it. Or you can take the permission from the HR and you can correct that record. Suppose now I'm logging through Anthony Francis, then this is the name, employee, mother name, father name, marital status, all the employee detail, then his date of joining, date of birth, then his bank detail, everything other than the salary. Okay, then his family details. You can update it. Okay, from here you can change the password, your new password and the old password, and HR can also change from their login, but user also can change from here. And this one is a document actually. A company can upload the document to the employees. One is employee related documents and another one is a company related documents. Company related documents like that will go to every employees. Any employee can log in their login ID and password and download company related documents like company related like leave policy or HR policy or any kind of or company profile. Suppose company updated all these documents and kept on the portal, then employee can log in and download it. Suppose company related, and he can refresh view. Okay, they can download it. Yeah. No, nothing is there, I think. So you can upload and even employee, for example, company can create the form 16 and upload on the server portal. So individual employee is code wise, and individual employee can download the same. If they want to print it from here, they can print it. Or if suppose company uploaded, then that can be downloaded from here. This way. Now this is employee related document. So I selected employees. So then employees related document, it is filled. So if he wants to download it, he can download and the print. Suppose company related document, if anything uploaded, then this is the company related document. If he wants to download it, he can download this way. He can view this document also. Status, it is upload this way. So any query from any of you guys?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rohan. I am from Dayanand Consultancy Services. We basically handle your payroll and HR management at the back end. And I would like to thank Satish for the lovely presentation on the application as well as the web presentation. Okay, as you know from the beginning of the program, when we heard the director's speech, what director said that we have to be employee friendly, correct? And also, if you look at our HR head speech, where he had emphasized mainly on the attendance software, okay, attendance or this software, what presentation we saw today. If you see, he was talking about the billing to the client, okay, but more than the billing to the client, what as a company we are concerned that you should get your right salary, whatever days you have worked for, okay, so you should get your right salary, and when that will happen, when you mark your attendance correctly in the attendance system, I think you should have a round of applause for GRK for introducing this online attendance system. As you know, if you are working around there in your client's place, where the rest of the contractors, they are still marking the manual attendance. However, we are the first one to introduce the online attendance, ताकि कोई employees को दिक्कत ना हो पाए इसके बारे में, right? And to have the correct data for processing your salaries. So with this, I would like to open up the session for question and answers. Before that, I would again request Mr. Satish to stay there on the stage and again open the mobile application, where we'll first and foremost see, as you all know, lately we have updated this application, and the latest version of the application, I would like to request each and every employee to take out their mobile phones and see whether the latest application is uploaded or downloaded on your phone. Okay, if not, I would request Satish to show the process how to download the latest application, because I will tell you the reason behind that. Because if you have the old version, okay, so the geofencing is not supporting that. See, as we come to know, as we get the feedback from the employees, we keep on upgrading the system, we keep on upgrading the applications. So I would request everyone to see what is the version you are having on your application, so that everybody are on the same page, and whatever we are come here today for, okay, so that is fulfilled, and at the end of the month you get your salaries properly, you mark your leave properly, so that whenever you are going, see, basically we work here full year throughout the year. For what reason? For ourselves and for our families. Okay, so if we make this leave applications and everything well in advance, you get the approvals from your client and also you get the approvals from your HR head. There is no hurdle as such. And also at the same time, if you have got the leave balance in your account, as you know, the leave balances are updated on your payslips on month basis. So you will be able to see if I have the balance of 10, I will be able to take 10. Okay, not more than that. So accordingly, you will plan your vacations and you will plan your holidays. So I would request Satish ji to first open that application page where the first page where the version is there, and I would request you all to first see whether that version is uploaded on your phone. Okay, thank you. Please, everyone, if you can pull out your mobile phones.
Yeah, when you apply leave,
I will.
this mail will go to your manager and the supervisor also.
I would request for one more mic, and if that mic goes in the public so that whatever employees, so that whatever queries you have, we can address it now itself. Okay, I also have my team along with me, Miss Rachna, Miss Manjari, and Miss Kanchan, whom you must be knowing. You call over the phone for your queries regarding attendance. मेरा salary कम आया, ये हुआ, वो हुआ. Means at the end of the month, see, everybody is working here for money. So you should get your right salary. That is what I meant to say. So they are also here, so they know what practical queries you have and what are the questions from you. So I want you to ask in front of everyone, so that there are some people who hesitate to ask questions in the group. So if you ask that question, that same query will be of that another person, so he will get the answer. So like that, I want at least 15 to 20 questions here. See, I intervened in one here because for this session we had around 1 hour, but our session got over within half an hour. So we still have time. See, there is no time for the attendance and payroll system. Whatever time you want, whatever queries you have, before going from this hall, I want all the queries to be addressed so that you all are safeguard yourself. Yeah, thank you. वो एक बार एप्लीकेशन का जो वर्जन है ना, कौन सा वर्जन है वो खाली दिखा दो ना.
Same. This one.
Hello. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Your name, please?
Rohit Kumar.
Yes, Mr.
रोहित कुमार. ये मैं पुणे में काम करता हूँ, बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र में. तो मैंने 2-3 इसमें लूप फॉल्स मैंने फाइंड आउट किए थे. पहला लूप फॉल्स है कि मार्च में मैंने एक सीएल अप्लाई किया था, और उसमें जब भी उसके बाद अटेंडेंस में डालता था तो उसमें एक एरर प्रॉम्प्ट हमेशा होता था. उसका मैंने ईमेल भी भेजा था स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर, अभी भी मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट है. दूसरा ये है कि इधर कुछ दिन पहले से हम लोग को मैसेज आ रहा है कि आप अटेंडेंस पुश करो, पंच करो आप. तो उसमें एक दिया गया क्वेरी आप डाल सकते हो. तो ये वर्जन, ये मोबाइल वाले में एप्लीकेशन में मुझे नहीं दिखा क्वेरी का ऑप्शन, लेकिन वो आपके वेब वर्जन में अवेलेबल है. और तीसरा ये है कि आप अटेंडेंस रिपोर्ट आप मोबाइल वर्जन में आप डालते हो तो उसमें एरर आता है 404 का, क्योंकि फाइल बना ही नहीं है.
ओके, सो मैं आपका पहला क्वेरी एड्रेस करता हूँ. जैसे कि आपने बोला करके आपने मार्च में सीएल के लिए एप्लीकेशन किया,
हाँ.
ठीक है. सी अभी इफ यू, हाँ, आप कभी ज्वाइन हुए सर?
जनवरी में.
जनवरी में. तो सी जो आपको जो सीएल दिया जाता है, सीएल बेसिकली है हमारा जो एचआर पॉलिसीज है उसमें कवर होगा. सीएल जो है पर क्वार्टर में 2 सीएल मिलते हैं. व्हाट इज सीएल?
नहीं बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
एक्चुअली जब सीएल अप्लाई करने के बाद जब आप अटेंडेंस बनाते हो तो उस समय एरर प्रॉम्प्ट होता है. पहले होता था कि अटेंडेंस सक्सेसफुली सेव्ड.
मैं वही उसके ऊपर आ रहा हूँ. सी सीएल जो है, सीएल इज अ कैजुअल लीव. ओके, सीएल जो है वो आप अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हो. सीएल क्या रहता है, जब भी आपको कुछ फैमिली में इमरजेंसी आया, कोई बीमार है कि कोई रिलेटिव में कोई एक्सपायर हो गया, कुछ है, सो सीएल इज बेसिकली फॉर दैट, राइट. सो एट दैट टाइम सीएल इज द वन व्हिच यू टेक इट. मतलब सुबह उठ के आपको पता चला करके कुछ नहीं है, तो वो टाइम पे आपको सीएल के लिए ले सकते हो. First of all, CL will be applicable to you on completion of a quarter, right? जो है पर क्वार्टर में आपको 2 CL दिया जाता है और पूरा साल का मिलके 8 CL रहता है, मतलब 4 क्वार्टर रहेंगे तो आपको 8 CL मिलता है साल में, प्रोवाइडेड यू हैव वर्क। अभी आपका जनवरी में ज्वाइन है, जनवरी अभी 2024 में है ना आपका ज्वाइनिंग, सो इसके लिए आपका CL उधर नहीं ले पा रहा है। आपका जो एप्लीकेशन है वो, आपका सेकंड सवाल मेरे को समझा नहीं, बट जो आपका थर्ड सवाल है जिसमें आपको एरर आ रहा है, जो मैंने आपको बोला आपका जो वर्जन है, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग,
हाँ,
वो जो आपका वर्जन है
Update
वो आपने
किया, sir.
अपडेट नहीं किया
Yes.
है, इसके लिए वो आ रहा है।
अगर
आप एक बार सेकंड वाला क्वेश्चन दोबारा पूछिए प्लीज।
सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, क्वेरी का जो ये ऑप्शन है वो मोबाइल वर्जन में नहीं दिखता है।
हाँ, तो सेम आंसर।
अच्छा, अटेंडेंस रिपोर्ट नहीं, अटेंडेंस रिपोर्ट का पेज नहीं बना हुआ है, 404 एरर आ रहा है।
आप ये थोड़ा अपडेट कीजिए, ठीक है, आप ये इसको एक बार अपडेट कीजिए, आप अभी अपडेट कीजिए।
सर मैंने अपडेट किया हुआ है।
हाँ, तो हमारे सतीश जी वो एड्रेस करेंगे, वो है इधर यहाँ पे पूरा दिन।
जो हम लोग को मिला
Is
था,
anybody else facing this kind of problem? You HR team, you face this kind of problem?
Just one request, if everyone can take out the mobiles and please update the versions, because for him also I think the version was not updated. तो please सब अपना मोबाइल निकाल के एक बार चेक कर लेंगे if you have the updated version, and Satish ji please if you can guide on that.
सतीश सर, आपने जो पहले एप्लीकेशन का वो ये दिखाया था ना, स्लाइड दिखाया था, उस पे खाली वर्जन कौन सा है वो एक बार डिस्प्ले कर दो ना।
यही है, लेकिन उसमें वर्जन डिस्प्ले नहीं किया।
तो ना क्या वर्जन है, ताकि एवरीबॉडी ऑन द सेम पेज।
See, this will look like this actually, but version we are not displayed on the screen. On the next update, we'll update the version also, so we'll understand actually whether you have a older one or the new one.
ओके, थैंक यू। आप जरा
हाँ.
मंजरी आप लिख के ले लो कि ये वर्जन उधर वो अपने को एप्लीकेशन में अपडेट करना है, व्हाट वर्जन इज देयर, एंड प्लीज पुट द डेट आल्सो
हाँ.
व्हेन वी हैव लास्ट अपडेटेड।
Okay, okay.
वी विल डू इट फॉर यू ऑल, थैंक यू।
Even for iPhone, you specify that.
Both
Hello.
the versions,
Both Android and
as well as
iPhone.
iPhone.
Yeah.
Android as well as iOS.
हाँ,
Yeah.
okay, बहुत
Next question, please don't discuss amongst yourself. See, आप अगर ये वर्जन अपडेट नहीं करोगे तो शायद आपका जियो फेंसिंग का थ्रू भी अटेंडेंस नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि हमने ये करके देखा है। ठीक है, आप अगर वो वर्जन नहीं अपडेट करोगे तो आपका जियो फेंसिंग मतलब जो आपका लोकेशन है उसके हिसाब से आपका अटेंडेंस नहीं लगेगा और शायद वो दिन पे आपको एब्सेंट मार्क किया जाएगा। देन इट विल बी आपको वापस आपके वो जो आप रिपोर्टिंग मैनेजर है उसके पास जाना पड़ेगा कि मैं नहीं वो दिन पे प्रेजेंट था, और वो सब आपको करना पड़ेगा। यस, आई हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन। दीपिका, कैन यू प्लीज गिव हर द माइक? थैंक यू।
Hello, can you hear me? Okay, so since last 2-3 days, I've been trying to update my attendance whenever I'm in campus. I've been working at Malad, ICICI Prudential Life.
Okay.
So I'm getting that error for 0.5 kilometers, like you are away from the point.
that fencing you'll have to get it changed from the HR, I think.
Okay, so how will I be doing that?
You'll have to inform to the
Ma'am,
HR
ma'am,
that
your name, please. Your name?
Jaimala Patil.
Manjari, Rachna, please note her name, Jaimala Patil, and we will update the location. वो जो आपका ये है लोकेशन मैप,
fencing criteria set na, so that is not
to set that. Anybody
fitting
from
into
your
that
location facing
location
the same
actually.
problem? Yes, your name please. Venkatesh. No, anybody from your location out here? 8 April itself. Which client you said?
ICICI Prudential Life.
Anybody from ICICI Prudential here?
Malad.
Malad. ICICI Prudential Malad. Okay, thank you. One more request I had regarding the attendance. Yes, your name please. Venkatesh. Venkatesh what?
Devkade.
Venkatesh Devkare. Your employee code also please if you can.
JRK 222.
JRK 222. And ma'am, your employee code? JRK 300. We will get this updated. Thank you. And next question, please.
Hello, my name is Parth. Actually, we work in the shift, okay? So whenever we apply the attendance, if I come in second shift, I apply attendance at 12 p.m., 1 p.m. It mark as a QQ, means late mark.
Huh.
Yeah.
Your shift is not, nearing to your in time on out time, then that will consider as a late mark.
Yeah, but we work in the shift, right? 24/7.
So then we'll have to apply for the multiple shift actually in that particular,
One minute.
for that
What is your
particular
name, sir?
employee.
Your name
Sorry?
and employee code,
JRK 271,
and which project you're working on?
Indian Bank, TCS Indian Bank.
TCS Indian Man. Okay. So you have your shift duty changes every day, or how is it?
Weekly.
Weekly.
Yeah.
Okay. So this weekly roster, what we call is as a weekly. So what shift is there?
Yeah.
That you from means I would like to ask somebody from HR or the operations. From where do you get these details from your client? Because see what he's facing is a genuine issue. If he is doing today a general shift and then next time when he is doing a 12 to 9 at night, so we should get the intimation from the client saying that this person is particular in this shift. So accordingly, we will have to make changes against his employee code. Then only he'll be able to mark his attendance. No. It is not like that. See, whenever there is a rotation, every day you do not have different shifts. I don't think so. Any of the companies do that. So it will be on a weekly basis, 10 days basis, or the 15 days basis. Every day. Anybody here working in different shifts every day? Every day. Okay. So Satish, I
So
have a
for this,
question.
what we can do, we can apply multiple shifts, and it will take the nearing shift. Suppose today I may come by 10 o'clock or maybe 4 o'clock. So my shift, the company can allow 2 or 3 shift. Then I will get the attendance.
So we have addressed your concern. What we'll do is we'll update your shift.
So it will take the nearing shift actually.
Nearing shift again,
Suppose
Satish,
we
I
have a
have-
10 to 6 one is one shift, and 12 to 8 is one shift. Suppose I punched at 11:30, then my shift will be automatically taken at 12 to 8.
Okay, thank you. I have one question for Satishji. Now, anybody coming at 6 p.m. in the evening?
Ha.
Okay, and he's working till say 2 p.m. 2 a.m. at night,
Okay.
and again coming at 6
Next day.
p.m. in the next 6 p.m. on the next day.
Ha.
So how will that attendance be marked?
We can give one option there. It's a night shift. So in that case, now today's the 6 o'clock whatever you punch, so that will take a 2 days in, and the next day early in the morning or 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. So that will take as a out time. Suppose if you mentioned night or something.
Okay, we'll work on this.
We can give that
note
way.
down this. Yes. Okay. So we have taken the concern. Anything else?
For this multiple shift, we can allot multiple shifts. So then it will take nearing shift actually.
Satishji, one query over here.
सर एक्चुअली मेरा जो आईफोन डिवाइस है और उसमें जैसे मैं ऐप इंस्टॉल किया हूँ,
हाँ.
जैसे उसमें पंच अटेंडेंस करता हूँ ना, तो ऐप क्रैश कर जाता है मेरा.
अब क्या होता है?
क्रैश कर जाता है.
नहीं, ये पहले होता था एक्चुअली, अभी नहीं हो रहा है. सो आप
मैंने अभी किया इंस्टॉल, फिर से अनइंस्टॉल करके फिर इंस्टॉल किया.
आपने वो डिलीट करके किया?
हाँ, डिलीट करके जो लिंक भेजा था वो लिंक से इंस्टॉल किया.
हाँ.
मेरा आईफोन अपडेटेड है.
में पंच हो रहा है एक्चुअली.
हो रहा है, अभी तक हो रहा है सर.
आप है ना अभी अपना अभी एचआर का पॉलिसी के रिलेटेड
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
अभी हमारा एचआर पॉलिसी के रिलेटेड सेशन रहेगा. सो वो सेशन के बाद में जब भी हमारा लंच टाइम रहेगा ना, सो यू कैन इंटरेक्ट विद सतीश एंड गेट इट डन टुडे इटसेल्फ बिफोर यू गो.
ओके फाइन.
थैंक यू. आपका नाम सर? रितेश. एम्प्लॉय कोड
176.
GRK 176. See, I would also like to request now, people are raising the queries, we are writing down the concerns. But as you know that you already have a notepad with you, you can write down whatever queries related to anything related to payroll, related to attendance, related to leave, or anything related to HR, whatever you have. and put it in a Dropbox at the reception or at the registration desk where we have kept, or otherwise you can give any of the HR persons who are name and your employee ID on that. Yeah, but in the meantime you can continue asking questions because as you know that अभी एक जन का अटेंडेंस का ये था इशू था तो हमने जब भी पूछा तो बाकी सब लोग का वो सेम क्वेरीज था. So like that you might help each other in getting your correct salary is what our main motto. And after that our billing comes. First your salary we are concerned about. Yeah, we are here for that today.
So you can write your query on from the app also. There is an option actually on query and complaints and query. So that will also reach to your HR.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, when we apply for a leave, before we get a leave ID, but right now in this app we are not getting that, and we must need to give that to TCS team, that leave ID.
I will need to understand this from HR. See, basically, you can apply the leave when you can see your leave balance, number one. Correct? So, that application, you send a written email to the reporting head, I think. Mr. Manoj, can you answer this? How is it? Means
Right.
There should be some number when you apply.
Yes, right. Actually, when our team sends our attendance on daily basis, there is one column name as in leave ID. So the TCS team asks us for that ID.
we will note it down.
But yes, I have observed one thing. One of my colleague using an Apple phone. Then when he applies for a leave, then immediately a pop-up screen appears and he gets a leave ID. But it is not for an Android user.
Satish, is that something like? See, now there are two things when you are talking about TCS team asking you for the leave ID. So we will need to check, Manu sir. We will need to check with them whether they have given any leave ID. That must be for their regular employees. But as far as JRK employee is concerned, we only have the employee code as of now. Correct. So we have not allotted any other IDs till now. Okay. Yes.
He's an iPhone user, so he was applying for the week off and all that, and that time there's some ID popped up actually.
Right. Yes,
You have
I am
a
asking
screenshot
for
of
the
that?
same.
No. Help me. Means I would like to understand that. Means this leave ID or whatever
See,
this gentleman has.
for example, I'll tell you, if I am applying for an CL, then right now I'm getting a message that your CL has been applied. But in iPhone, for iPhone user, you are getting a message your CL has been applied, and below that you are getting CL 305 or that is number.
Okay, so I would like.
No, that
Satish
is a
to-
entry record number actually. So that is nothing to do with TC.
No, okay, but we would see
that is
now.
just
since-
But actually,
No,
that
Satish,
number
what-
we have to submit to that team.
Okay, so
Okay,
Satish, our
okay.
concern is like that.
Huh.
On iOS, we have that facility, right?
Okay.
On Android, it is not there. So you look into it and see what best can be done.
Okay,
Yeah?
okay, fine.
Thank you. Ma'am, your name? Aarti. Employee code? 223. Yes, next question, please.
Now, okay, our employees are working at project site, so we are telling them to take the email approval of leaves, and then apply it on the portal.
But so I want that they should have a provision, they should attach the approval on that when they apply for leave. So there is no attachment provision, I believe. When I am applying on a leave, I already told them you take approval, email approval from their project lead.
Okay.
So they are sending emails separately to me, like to HR team, and then applying on the leave on the portal. So let's have that together, wherein they can attach the approval on that.
You need some document to be attached.
A
on
document to be
while
attached
applying.
on that. Yeah.
Okay.
Supporting
Okay.
document in terms of say approval or any other thing.
Huh.
He is going on emergency leave due to some family matter. So you can attach that certificate, medical certificate also there. So this is a proof I am going.
Okay.
Manoj sir, here I have a concern. See, instead of uploading too many documents there, right? Because once we allow the employees to upload, they will upload anything. and first and foremost, these leaves are being approved by the client, right? So when they are making application there via email, so the email approval, whatever is there, if that they attach to our email, that is more than enough for us. If the client has approved the leave, so we do not have to check any further documents.
No, means they are also applying on the portal, na. So I am saying that so when it is applying on portal, they should attach that. There was previous company we are having a provision. They can attach the proof that this is a proof. Approval is there. That is what I am
But
saying.
I think portal will be later. You please all help us understand means how is the leave application like? First you make an application to your reporting head of the client, or first you approve this on the portal make application on the portal. How is it? Anyone, please take the mic. So we will also understand how it is.
So please, if you can guide, like if you are applying over there first, or you applying on the app first. Okay, so they're applying over there.
Okay, so when
The
you
workplace.
when you apply over there and when you get a approval email from them, that's it. That is only the document we need on the this leave application to be uploaded. Satish sir, please make the provision
Yeah,
for the upload.
I noted.
You have to attach the email. Yeah. Again, I am telling you again and again, marking the attendance on the daily basis is very important, because without which we will not be able to process your salary. And once the salary is not processed, or if you are marked absent, it is very difficult again to go back to the your client's place and tell them that this person has come to us. He is saying that he is present on that day. However, you were absent or you were present. So that approval also take a lot of time. So be punctual in marking your attendance punctually. Okay, this is again a request while I take up the next question.
Yeah, next question is actually we have discussed basically on the attendance. When you are marking attendance, there is no in or out. It is there on the laptop version, but not on the mobile version.
Mobile as
So
well.
people get confused over there many times. It is every time they are marking attendance single, so they are
No,
saying that
they can view the multi punch in, punch out also.
no. It is we can do that,
Huh.
but then see normally in like
Whether that record is for in or out, that is not.
So when I am registering for in,
Huh.
so I know mentally that I have to now when I am going out, I have to register out. So today what is happening now? People are they say a newcomer. They are coming and then installing the app and then start using. They punch once. They said, okay, I already punched. I marked attendance for that day.
Okay.
But it is not so. No? We are saying that you do in, you do out. In fact, I have raised this query already. So we want this to be registered as in and out. Correct? Amish?
See, this is again question for everyone. We have a suggestion from our HR head that whenever you are punching attendance, okay, so whenever you come in the morning, when you come to the shift, that time there will be in, okay, and whenever you are leaving in the evening, not वो दोपहर को चाय पीने को जाते हैं, नहीं तो कोई लंच करने को जाएगा, तभी का नहीं. When you are leaving in the evening, so that time we are proposing to have out time. So there will be two options. When you are punching in, there will be an option punch in. When you are going out, there will be an option punch out.
So it takes in this way actually. First
It
record
is
will
not
be
there as of now,
considered
but
as
we are suggesting it. So that would be feasible for you, right? So I think this will also resolve the query of that skipping day.
हाँ.
स्किपिंग डे का भी हो जाएगा, मतलब वो अपने को इसमें इनपुट करना पड़ेगा. जब भी वो अटेंडेंस पंच कर रहे हैं तभी in
whether that punch is in or out.
वो अपना थंब में रहता है ना.
हाँ, नहीं पंच में तब में भी इन और आउट का दो सेपरेट
है नहीं, हमारे पास है ऑफिस में.
पंच में whether that takes the record, that's it. That takes the in time.
We have taken
It takes
this
time
concern.
only.
We have taken this concern. We will note it down and we will see to it that it happens. Okay, next question, please.
But you have to select whether that punch is for in or punch is for out.
There's one more query.
Yes, sir.
See, we have geofencing on mobile. But we observed that it is not there on laptop. You can mark attendance in laptop from anywhere, anytime.
So that becomes a problem.
For laptop actually we'll have to the third party API will have to buy it. So that is we'll check that actually how it is.
Yeah, see, means that is very important because people then go out or they do like working from home or working from native place. So that we want to have a monitoring that situation. Or we have to have control that okay, he applies only from mobile where there is geofencing. Or laptop also, it should be location should be defined or whatever defined, he should be there within that location only.
Okay, sir.
So that's very important for
I'll
us.
just check up actually from the PCs and the laptop to take the geolocation.
Yeah.
Everyone, please pay attention. The last question of your HR head, Manoj sir. What sir wants to convey that there are some clients who are allowing you all to work from home, right? So which you have a permission from them, or it is their request because of the space concern. They say no, you work from home or you work hybrid, whatever that situation may be, right? In that case, whenever you are receiving such requests or emails from the client, request you to forward us to JRK in any form, that email, whatever is there, because it will be easy for us to monitor that you are working from home. And as he rightly said, by using the geofencing, when you're marking the attendance, that attendance location will be your home. That we had a case now that one employee was working from home for last 8 days. Okay, basically we wanted to invite him for this function, and then after working from home for 8 days, he went on leave also. So we did not know that employee was working from home. So this situation should not arrive for you. And that example what I'm giving you, which resulted that we deducted his salary for that 8 days. Then one fine day the employee came to us and he was like, I was working, but I was working from home. So we did not had any information from that employee. So my request is please be communicative, because see, today we are here for a meeting because we don't see each other. See, normally क्या होता है कंपनीज में, हम जहाँ पे बैठे हैं हमारा HR वहाँ पे रहता है, तो कुछ भी अपना क्वेरी रहेगा, कुछ रहेगा, तो हम लोग इमीडिएटली जाके HR को मिलते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं और वो उधर का उधर इशू रिजॉल्व होता है. पर अपने केस में ऐसा नहीं है. अपने केस में अपना जो HR है मुंबई में है, पुणे में है. सो आप जितना कम्युनिकेटिव रहोगे आपके लिए अच्छा है, कि ताकि आपका जो सैलरी है, आपका अटेंडेंस है, वो बराबर से मार्क हो. आप अगर घर से काम कर रहे हो तो उसका जो ईमेल आपको कंफर्मेशन दिया है कंपनी ने, कोई आपका रिपोर्टिंग मैनेजर ने, वो हमारे पास रहेगा. सो वी आर ऑल्सो गुड टू गो विथ प्रोसेस योर सैलरी फॉर दोज मेनी डेज. ओके, थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
Well, I'm not a techno-savvy person basically, but I've been listening to all of you that you are facing some problem because of the iPhone old version, new version, attendance marking. So just simple question. मैं आपको क्या पूछ रहा हूँ, आपने 3 Idiot मूवी देखा रहेगा. वीरू सहस्त्रबुद्धे बिगिनिंग में एक पेन देता है, बराबर है. यू ऑल मस्ट बी रिमेम्बरिंग दैट्स वेरी मेमोरेबल मूवी. वो पेन क्या रहता है, उसको क्या कहता है, इज एक्सीलेंस ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग. स्पेस में पेन नॉर्मल कोई चलता नहीं है, तो उसका जो बॉस रहता है वो उसको पेन दे देता है, बोलता है. तो एक अपना 3 Idiot में से सो कॉल्ड एक इडियट उसको पूछता है कि वो पेन के बदले में आप स्पेस में पेंसिल क्यों नहीं यूज करते हैं. यू रिमेंबर, यू मस्ट बी रिमेम्बरिंग दिस डायलॉग. मेरा क्या एक सजेशन है, इसका सजेशन है, नो डाउट यू ऑल आर टेक्नोक्रेट्स, IT प्रोफेशनल्स है. ये आईफोन हम लोग कर रहे हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर रियली यूजिंग द आईफोन? क्योंकि क्या है, ये 4 जन यूज कर रहे हैं आईफोन, वो भी ओल्ड वर्जन में चल रहा है, नया वर्जन में नहीं चल रहा है. उसके लिए हमको पूरा एंटायर सॉफ्टवेयर चेंज करना पड़ रहा है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर यूजिंग आईफोन? प्लीज ऑनेस्टली टेल मी. नॉट इवन 10% और 5%. रियली नहीं यूज कर रहे तो ही आप हाथ नीचे रखो या ऊपर रखो. नो डाउट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू वेरीफाई रियली आपके पास आईफोन है या नहीं है. तो इसके लिए एक सजेशन है, इधर हाउ मेनी पीपल ऑफ यू हैव 2 मोबाइल फोन? काफी लोग नहीं, आपके पास है नहीं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो मेरा सजेशन रहेगा, व्हाई डोंट यू संजय, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन यूजिंग लास्ट 25 ईयर द सैमसंग. आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद दैट. यस, आईफोन में काफी कुछ फीचर्स वगैरह है. ये 4 जन के लिए आ रहा है और उसके लिए अटेंडेंस मार्क नहीं हो रहा है, आपके सैलरी में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, हमको बिलिंग में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. सो क्या है, बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट में फोकस करने से, क्योंकि अभी इसी किसी ने अभी हमें बताया वी वांट टू टेक इट टू 500 हेड काउंट्स नाउ. So we want to focus more on the business rather than solving all these clerical issues, etc. So why don't you start using the Android, और old version चल रहा है वो भी है, और बाकी का आपका गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड वाइफ के लिए आप नया वर्जन यूज कर सकते हो गिफ्टिंग के लिए और सेल्फ यूज के लिए. दैट इज जस्ट सजेशन, वर्केबल है या नहीं है, आई विल नॉट फोर्स यू, जस्ट ट्राई आउट देन.
Next, any more questions? So we move out to the another topic. Anyone, Manoj sir?
One gentleman had a question regarding old tax regime and new tax regime. Who had that question? Yeah, madam. Yes. Please use the mic. No, unfortunately today we are not going to, but if you have got any specific query, we can note down. If you are able to address it, we'll address it today itself. Otherwise, maybe subsequently it will be addressed through email, etc. And we'll prepare one note also. What is old tax regime? What is new tax regime? We'll not try to sell that concept. That is the job of government basically. But we'll try to tell you that which one is a better one. So if you have got any specific question, you can address it today. Because along with you, many others will also have the similar type of question. So why don't you address it then? Yes, ma'am. It all depends on your salary, which you are not going to disclose it in today forum, I think so. Just like your age. Yeah.
See, in new tax regime, there are few rebates actually where we cannot
Yeah.
claim it.
One minute, Satish sir.
Old tax.
See, basically, to address your question like this, see, as sir mentioned,
Just now I got the information from Arjun that each and every associate has been shot with the email wherein what is old tax regime, OTR and NTR, ये दोनों का information with the tax slabs etc. और कौन से स्लैब में आप जाओगे तो दोनों information दिया हुआ है. I don't know whether you are read it or no. तो उसमें दिया हुआ है information. Yeah. Yeah, because we will not comment which one is a better basically. It is your decision. क्योंकि आप लोगों की क्या investment है, which one is better for you, we do not know. We know as far as your salary part is concerned, we know what is your tax liability. Because apart from that salary, you have to file the competition of income also. जहाँ से अपने shares में कुछ invest किए रहेंगे, आपको FD में से आया रहेगा, कोई ancestral property में से income आया होगा, वो भी काफी कुछ आता है. तो एग्जैक्टली कौन सा टैक्स रेजिम आपको एप्लीकेबल है, आपका चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ही आपको बता सकता है. या वी नीड और यू नीड टू डिस्क्लोज व्हाट आर योर ऑल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, क्योंकि हमारे पास आज वही इंफॉर्मेशन है सैलरी रिलेटेड है आपका. You please go through that email. Still, if you have got any queries, questions, you can send the email to HR or the accounts department of the JRK. We'll try to resolve it.